Hello everyone, this is Professor Bairagi BK from KKW College Chanduri, Department of Geography. Today's video lecture we discuss about the structure of atmosphere. Today the atmosphere is an important phenomena in the geography perspective. Atmosphere is the gases envelop surrounding of the earth from all sides. This is present because of gravitation attraction of the earth. Without atmosphere, human life not possible. Atmosphere provide us all types of gases as well as oxygens, ozone, which absorbed ultraviolet rays, which is harmful from human being. Today's lecture we basically focus on structure of atmosphere, its types, its impact on human life as well as plant and animal life. So we start one by one. Here we see the structure of atmosphere diagram. Here we going to understand there are basically four types of the atmospheric layer. The lowermost layer of atmosphere structure is troposphere, where we human being live. In troposphere, in above of troposphere, there is a stratosphere, where the ozone layer are located. In above the stratosphere, there is a homosphere. It's also known as homosphere, mesosphere. In middle layer, which we know it's mesosphere, and last one is the thermosphere. In thermosphere there are two types, in ionosphere and hydrosphere. So these are the four types basically in atmosphere layer, and there is some sub type of layer. So we going to discuss one by one. So start for lowermost layer of the atmosphere, which all human being where live. It's known as troposphere. Topo means mixing of the layer. It is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. This word come from Greek. According to troposphere, it is related to the latitude seasonal changes. Troposphere, it is a most active and most dominated structure layer in the atmosphere. In this layer, when the height increases, decrease the temperature. It's known as normal lapse rate. At pole it about 8 km, and at equator it about 70 km. All the weather change take place in this layer. There are more than 70% gases absorbed in this layer. There are many activities also happen in this layer, such as rainfall, lightning, cloud formation, thunderstorms, cyclone. The boundary of the troposphere is known as topopause. Is all about the troposphere. Second important layer of the atmosphere is stratosphere. This is a layer that lies above the troposphere. It extends up to 50 km from the earth's surface. It is quite safe zone for aircraft to fly, as there are no disturbance due to weather condition. In lower part the temperature is constant, but upper part it will slightly increase. In 30 km there is a one extra layer observed, which is ozone. When the ultraviolet rays come into sun, it absorb the ultraviolet radiation, it filter rays and give the suitable sun rays for human being. That's why the ozone layer is very important for human being, and it's located in stratosphere. Therefore, stratosphere is the so important layer in atmosphere as well as human being also. The third most important layer in atmospheric structure is mesosphere. Meso means the middle layer is known as mesosphere. It is above the stratosphere. Its extent from 50 km to 80 km above the sea level. The temperature in this layer is decreases with increasing height. It means that there is some gases who observe the temperature, and that's why the temperature will be decreases, increases height. That is a middle most important layer on last but not least, the thermosphere, which is very really important layer in atmosphere, is extend from 80 km to 400 km above the earth surface. It's called ionosphere. Temperature increases with increases height because of there is a less amount of gases, therefore there is a temperature always increases height. In thermosphere there is a many activities occur, such as the electromagnetism spectrum, radio waves, auroras. These are the some concept which really important in the thermosphere, and that's why there are two types of the thermosphere, in ionosphere and hygrosphere. There is a no air, that's why it's called hygrosphere also. In this layer in active in daytime and deactivate in night time. The short waves electromagnetism spectrum, X rays are really impact in this layer. This all about the hygrosphere. So this all about the structure of atmosphere. Here we going to take conclusion. As we know the four types of the layer in atmospheric structure, the first conclusion is the earth is unique. There are without air the earth life is not possible. Life is critically depend on the air, water and land. The atmosphere is the envelope of the air, which is really important to human being, and it is because of the earth of gravity. The atmosphere, it height approximately 1060 km. This is all about the video lecture. You should listen, we should listen or watch this video again and again, and definitely you really understand the concept of the structure of atmosphere. Thank you, best of luck.